Good day traders, hope you all fine. My name is Darius and I'm back with a new YouTube video for you. Today we're going to have a look on gold, and the question is why gold is rising. So I'm going to explain it to you very detailed in this video, also from a chart technical perspective, but also from a fundamental perspective. I'm going to share with you some general knowledge about gold and also my prediction. Also why the DXY has that a big impact right now on gold. Then I'm going to show you my analysis and some great trading setups. Okay guys, let's get it started. Now in general, what is gold? Gold, yeah, everybody knows gold, but why it is so important in our economy? Simply because people rely on gold when we have crisis, like it is right now with Corona, okay? So in times like it is right now, all the people are investing the money in gold, which will lead for gold to get bigger prices, and all the currencies are losing the value. Now, we all know the Fed. What is the Fed currently doing? Well, they are printing right now a bunch of money, so trillions of trillions, and people are getting right now some money from the government. So the thing is right now that the DXY, so the dollar index, is losing value because the amount is that high, okay? But in fact, gold is gaining value because people are right now exchanging their currencies into gold because they rely right now more in gold. And this is actually what the Fed don't want to have. So they want actually that the DXY will again get the power, but people are very scary right now, so they put a lot of money in gold. But also the government is doing the same thing, and this is actually the thing right now. So if we are going to have right now a look on the chart, what we can see is, also from a chart technical perspective, is that gold is simply rising a lot. Okay, so as you can see, since 2006, gold price is simply just rising. Then at this level, it created ultimate high, and then price started this corrective phase. And right now, price is again moving to the upside. As you can see, big impulsive move to the upside. Also, if you look at the beginning of this year, the price is just rising extremely to the upside. So I'm going to show you. So also since 2019 actually. So as you can see, price was only rising till today. Now the beginning of the year was over here. Also from the beginning of the year, price was still rising. So a lot of people just show us that they rely on the market, and this is why gold is rising right now. So very interesting to see something like this right now. And this shows me, okay, gold is still the future, because in the first place, gold is limited. The currencies are not, meaning that gold cannot lose that much of value because it is only a specific amount over here in the world. But the currencies we can print as much as we can see right now from the Fed. Now, what else can we see? I'm going to explain you a little bit of fundamentals, because right now we can see that the big players, okay, the big banks, they are investing their money in gold. So they try to bring the price higher and higher. And we as normal traders, we try to swim with them because we want to capitalize with them on those big movements to the upside, okay? And we can do this from a chart technical perspective because the big players, they are leaving their footprints in the charts, and what we are going to do, our job as a trader, is to follow them. Simply as that. And we have to look a little bit on the fundamentals, because actually the big players are going to act on the fundamental data, and we as normal trader, we're going to follow the big players. So we're going to follow their footprints, and the big players are going to follow the footprints of all the data that they need to do their trading decisions. So this is why me personally, I do not care that much about fundamentals, but on gold, it is kind of important, because if you know from a fundamental perspective, okay, gold is going to rise up to the upside, then I'm going to look for long positions on gold and I will not force to look for short positions, okay? Only if I got confirmations from a technical perspective. So, what does it mean for the DXY? Why is it important to know the direction of the DXY? Well, if the DXY will fall to the downside, then gold is going to rise to the upside. Pretty clear actually, because gold is measured in dollar and they are exactly the opposite. Because if people do rely on gold more, gold will rise. This means on the other hand that they do not rely anymore on currencies. So the currencies will lose value. So pretty simple and pretty clear. Now, let's have a look on our chart analysis on gold. Well, this whole thing over here on gold is a major uptrend. This is a major uptrend in my opinion. Okay, this is a simply big bullish trend over here. Now the thing is, what we can see is that gold has passed this previous high over here, okay, which was previous resistance, and right now it turned into support. Now, this movement to the downside was expected because the big players, they close in with their positions over here, okay? They close the position here, which means that the price should fall to the downside to test the structure, and then we expect a continuation to the upside. Now, the thing is, are we done with this correction? No, we are not. We are measuring right now this big impulsive to the upside, and we want to see at least, okay guys, at least a correction to the 0.382. But we do not have it, okay? But we can still go even further to the downside, okay, 0.5 or 0.618, which is the golden ratio. But for me right now, I'm uninterested to see the first retracement, which will be the 0.382, and I'm done, okay? Because at this level, we're going to monitorize the other time frames to see what kind of confirmations we got over here. But for me right now, I want to see gold come at least till this level, and right afterwards, we can expect and push to the upside, so the continuation. Okay, what else can we see right now on the weekly? Well, on the weekly, we can see this nice trend line over here. Okay, I'm going to switch to daily because on the daily, we can see it a little bit better. Yes, this is how this resistance looks like. And if we are going to switch now to the weekly, we can see we got here a weekly supply zone, which was responsible for this big move right now to the downside. But also over here, we got support, which is right now turned resistance. So also a very important structure level, which is also one of the points why the market created this red candle right now. If this candle will close as a bearish signal, then for me it is pretty clear that we're going to achieve this support level. Because in the first place, what we can see here, the market is giving us very sharp moves to the downside. Okay, this was the first one, then correction over here, then again sharp move, correction, and I expect the next sharp move to the downside. For me, it looks super bearish right now if I got a look on gold. What else can I see right now from a daily? Well, from a daily, I can feel this structure here, the support. Like I told you, this is my support here. Whoops. Wrong instrument. This it is. Okay. Support. And right now it is resistance. And price is currently pushing to the downside. Boom. Now, if I got a look on the daily, I can also see here, this is a supply area and this is a demand area. So today I took a nice day trade to scalp it a little bit to the upside, but then I closed it because I did not see any kind of momentum. Also, if I look on the volume is very low. So it is not showing me right now that the bulls are here. It shows me that the bears are here in the market. So they gave me over here this impulsive correction, and right now I do expect the next impulsive correction. This is what I do expect right now on gold. So it looks for me super bearish right now. What else can I see on the daily? I can see this trend channel, okay? So it looks like price is moving in this trend channel. It is respecting it very hard. So my prediction right now is that gold is going to drop down till this level at least, maybe a little bit lower, because we got over here a nice level of demand and also very strong structure level. So for me, it looks pretty nice that we're going to go a bit lower on gold, maybe to hit this level, and then right afterwards I do expect that gold will bring us to 3k. I know, quite a big number actually, 3k, but this is my prediction because I also see it from the DXY. DXY should drop much more. So let's have a look on the DXY right now. From a monthly, what we can see is, yeah, let's have a look on the whole structure, okay? Well, on the monthly, we can see here a big double top kind of formation right now. This is the neckline, and I want to see the price come down over here, testing this and come till this level down. So this is actually my final target, because we're pushing from this resistance where we also got a supply area, okay? This is my monthly supply. Therefore, first take profit is this level over here, and second take profit is over here. So this is the double top. Boom, boom. This is what I want to see, guys. This is what I want to see. And right now, the DXY was correcting to the upside, and I do expect a continuation to the downside. Also here we got a very super interesting support resistance level. As you can see, perfect touch, perfect retracement to the downside. Let's have a look on the weekly. Yeah, pretty nice. Right now gold is retracing to the upside. Yeah, everything okay. What else can we see from a daily? Yeah, we got this daily supply. We got daily support over here. Okay, so this is the kind of the range that we got right now. We broke this trend line, which I do not care actually, but we got here an support resistance level. And right now I do expect two possibilities. First one would have been, okay, that DXY is going to come one last time to the upside, and then this big drop, and this is actually the scenario which I do expect right now the most. But also we got this possibility that the price will drop down from here. Okay, so those two possibilities we got right now. For me, the most probability one is that we're going to get one last push to the upside in order to grab some more liquidity from here. But yeah, price already showed us, okay, that we are ready to drop more to the downside, okay? Because also if we are going to look on this chart, we can see here strong level of demand, and the price reacted actually very heavily to it, okay? So for me, it looks like price has good chance right now to come a little bit higher, which will bring also gold right now for us to our target on shorts. Okay, so this is what I want to see on gold. Therefore, also the DXY looks pretty good that we're going to go up here. So this is the thing. I want the gold to see to complete this corrective pattern, which will, yeah, bring us to the downside one last time. And then I'm absolutely fine to take a long on gold. Okay, from here I'm going to monitorize everything to get a nice entry for a long trade. And yeah, as I told you, I do expect 3k. Very simple. Why? Because I do expect right now the second lockdown during the corona time right now, so everything will be worse right now, the whole economy. Also, if you gotta look on all the zombie companies out there, everything is like a domino. So when one zombie company is still working with a good company, and then the zombie company will not have the money anymore to pay the good company, then also the good company will do not have the required amount in order for them to get a good profit and stuff like this. Meaning that also the good company will be affected by the zombie economies, and then also the good company will turn into zombie company. And this is the thing, guys. So this is everything like a domino. So when everything is done, then the whole economy will crash, and this will lead into very big prices in gold, because everybody will then transfer the money, put it in gold, and gold will explode to the upside. The exact thing which will also happen to all the cryptocurrencies. This is why I talk to you about Ripple will go up to $30, because if you are going to go long right now on gold and on the cryptocurrencies, then this is like you are right now placing your whole money on Corona, so that you believe in an economy crash. And this is what I personally believe. Everything looks very bad, all the data, so do not believe what they are going to tell you in the television, because the government and everybody wants to tell you, okay, no, the economy is good, because if you think the economy is good, you will still go to job, you will still have your money in the currencies invested, okay, which will be better for the economy, okay, so theoretical, because they want to recover the economy. But the thing is that there is absolutely no chance for this to happen, because if you look into the past, by printing money, it was never a solution to help the economy to recover. Never. So I got 20 reasons why everything will crash down, guys. If you look in the past, it never worked. And the situation right now is absolutely the same. I know we're in different times and so on, but the situation is actually the same. So a big crash will come. And if you want to take advantage of this crash, then you should invest your money wisely. And this is actually putting your money in gold and silver and cryptocurrencies and so on. But never put your money right now in dollar or in euro or something like this, because they are going to devalue. So the value will be very low, okay? Also on the DXY, we got a technical perspective confirmations. We got so many confirmations for this huge drop. And we got also confirmation for gold for this huge movement. Okay, so everything is confirmed right now. The only thing right now is just for you to invest your money correctly and wisely. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. I know this was kind of a different video, but I wanted to show you right now how important it is right now to know where to put your money. And if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, I got a link down below for Coinbase. And if you're going to invest more than $80, then you're going to get $10 for free in Bitcoin. Thanks guys for watching. We're going to see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.